Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, we'll start on the daily chart. We talked about the 9-day yesterday. It held as support. We just kind of consolidated yesterday. You can see it better on the hourly chart, but I meant what I say here. The 9-day continues to be support. Bulls need to push back to the highs. They got to get back up here, and they got to get up and over and challenge. It's 30.29.5 on the continuation chart. It's 30.22.25 on the front month chart. You can see what's happening better on the hourly chart. You can see that the bands have tightened up. You can see that we've been consolidating on either side. We had this little gap down Sunday night. That gap, not quite been filled. And we've been dancing on either side of the weekly pivot through Sunday into Monday and now through Tuesday night into Tuesday morning. It's not unusual to battle over the weekly pivot early in the week. What I want to figure out is, over the course of the next 24 hours, is who's going to win this battle, because they're going to get the directional move later in the week. So what do the bears need to do? The bears need to hold weekly pivot as resistance, break the Globex low from yesterday at 83.5, and try to work back towards some of the lows from last week. What do the bulls need to do? Convert it to support, get up over the top of Globex high at 07, work back towards the pre-FOMC number at 16, and work on the Friday high up at 25.75. If they can do all that, then they get the Thursday, Friday continuation days to the upside, which should challenge the all-time highs. If the bears are able to do that, then they should be able to get back in towards the 60s, 70s. But it's a battle over weekly pivot, and it's what today is going to be about. So, could today be choppy again? Sure. But don't go to sleep on it, because eventually the move is going to reveal itself. It'll give us a chance to get in, and it'll expand out of this consolidation. It should be a nice little move. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.